as you keep on uploading more videos onto your YouTube channel, then sometimes it might be confusing to search for a particular video. In that case, what you can do is you can use the search bar that you see on the home page of your YouTube studio right here. So just click and you can see all your recent videos right here. You can also click on show all and it goes on to the channel content. But if you want to search for a particular video, you can go around over here and type in the title just like this, or anything that is there in the description of the video, and those particular videos will show up, as you can see, just like this. You can go around onto the details and there you go. You have that exact video right here. So if I were to go around over here and type in from any of the page itself, you can directly go on and see the analytics for that particular video right here. Thus, you can see the comments and you can also view that particular video on YouTube by clicking on this button right from over here, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and then search your channel quickly. That is, search across your channel quickly by using the search bar on top of YouTube Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.